Good morning, children. I hope that you all have tried the direct to indirect speech sentences which I had given. Okay, today I will explain the sentences, that how we will convert the sentences from direct to indirect and from indirect to direct. Okay, first one was that Alam says, I am feeling better. Okay, now the reporting speech, okay, the reporting verb, that is in present tense, that is says. Okay, if the reporting verb is in the present tense, or if the reporting verb is in the future tense, then we don't change the tense when we change the sentence from direct to indirect. Okay, so here what will be the sentence? Alam says that he is feeling better. Okay, means present tense will remain in the present tense, only the personal pronouns will change. I will change into he. All right. Then the second, Dipti said the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. Now, the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. Now, this is the universal truth. Okay, in universal truth, also you don't have to change the tense. All right. So, here, what will be the sentence? Dipti said that the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. Okay, so here the tense will not change. The third sentence, Sonali says, I have got my bags packed. Here also the reporting verb, okay, is in the present tense. So tense will not change. Okay, what is the tense? I have got my bags packed. So it is in the present perfect tense. All right. So what will be the sentence? Sonali says that she has got her bags packed. In place of I, we have to change to she. So which she has will come. All right. So the tense is not changed. She has got her bags packed. My will change to her. All right. Then fourth one. Ashi said, our class teacher has made me the class monitor. So it will change. Ashi said that. It will become their. So their class teacher has, it will become had made her the class monitor. Mika, it will change to her. All right. I hope that you all have the rules. I have given the rules of direct and indirect speech, that which tense will change into which. All right. Then the fifth one. I said I will mind the class. So it will change to I said that I would mind the class. Will change to would. All right. Then sixth one. Shubha said, I am planning to move to Delhi soon. So Shubha said that she was planning to move to Delhi soon. All right. Then seventh. Peter said, Maria is doing her best these days. So it will become Peter said that Maria was doing her best those days. These will become to those. All right. Then, eighth one, Harry asked, have you read this book? So it will become Harry asked if I had read that book. Okay, this ka it will become that. Okay, you ka it will become I. Okay, then ninth one, Dina said to me, I solved the puzzle. So Dina told me. Okay, whenever there is listener and the speaker, all right, so we have to write told. So Dina told me that she had solved the puzzle. Okay, then 10th, Neelam said, I am at the station now. So Neelam said that she was at the station at that time. Now ka it can be then, or it can be at that time. All right, so I have written it is at that time. So Neelam said that she was at the station at that time. Okay, now the second question where we have to change from indirect to direct speech. Okay, first one, Tanvi said that she had been traveling. So what will be the answer? Tanvi said, I have been traveling. Okay, don't forget to put inverted commas and comma. All right, then the second one, Kirti said that her sister had lived in the UK as a kid. Okay, now children, keep in mind that this sentence is already in past perfect tense. So past perfect tense remains past perfect tense only. Okay, that we don't have to change. Only the personal pronoun you have to change. So what it will be? Kirti said, my sister had lived in the UK as a kid. Okay, tense will not change. Next, Disha says that she wrote that story when she was in Bangalore. Okay, now again it is the reporting verb is in present tense, so tense will not change. Disha says, I wrote that story when I was in Bangalore. Okay, then fourth one, girl said that the earth revolves around the sun. Okay, again this is the universal truth. Okay, so here also the tense will not change as it is. You just have to write it down. Girl said the earth revolves around the sun. All right, then the fifth one, the newspapers reported that there had been too much rain that year. Okay, so what it will be? The newspapers report there has been too much rain this year. Okay, had ka it will be has, and that year ka it will be this year. All right. Then next, Martin told his friend that they were staying at his granny's place. So Martin said to his friends, we are staying at my granny's place. Okay. Then next one, Ben said that he would be leaving his CDs there. So what it will become? Ben said, I will be leaving my CDs here. There ka it will be here. All right. Next, Sharif said that the books were there on that table. So what it will be? Sharif said, the books are here on this table. Okay. Then Charu asked why the laptop was not working. So what it will become? Charu asked why the laptop is not working. Was ka it will become to is. Alright, and don't forget to put question mark because it is a question. Alright, I asked Divya if she would hold her bag for a minute. I asked Divya, will you hold my bag for a minute? All right, and don't forget to put the question mark. All right, I hope that you all must have understood that how we have to change the sentences.